What's up guys? So there is news trolling all over the internet that NASA has a data transfer speed of 91 Gbps per second. Okay, let me explain this thing clearly because 91 Gbps is such a high rate of data transfer which is not even possible because they are thinking that Gbps means gigabytes per second. It's not like that. NASA claimed a statement that they sent a data from one point to another point in 91 Gbps of data transfer speed. They did not say that it's gigabytes per second, it's gigabits per second. Those who know the difference between bytes and bits wouldn't watch this video. Whoever know the difference between bits and bytes means 8 bits make 1 byte, means which you divide it by 91 by 8, you will get around 11 Gbps, which is also in local area network, which means LAN. There are some Instagrammers or any social media influencers who are trolling posts with the capital B. Capital B means bytes, small b means bits. So they released that 91 G small b PS. They did not release that capital G and capital B both at the same time. And that too, that rate of transfer means 91 Gbps is from one point from a computer to data transfer to another point in a computer. It's not the thing about worldwide network or Wi-Fi which has 91 gigabits per second speed. And there are some moments even NASA has claimed that they have 1 terabyte per second speed, which is only also bytes. Don't think that if we connect to NASA's computers or Ethernet connection, we'll get 91 gigabytes per second of speed. We can troll the Instagram and upload videos within seconds. No, it's not like that. See, we know that NASA is a huge organization and has the data from space and many satellites. They need to store some information and transfer between different computers of the network. And this network, which is local area network, which connects the computers together, means they transfer those huge files within that amount of speed in between the computers. And if you take any of these two computers or laptops and connect them via Ethernet cable, the data transfer between them which connects them together, which is called a local area network. So is this news true or false? So yes, some kind of true because they mentioned that it's Gbps means small b, and it's false if you keep capital B because it's gigabytes per second, which is not possible. They claim that it's gigabits per second. And please make necessary corrections and edit the video because that is a wrong news which you are saying gigabytes per second. Please correct that and please spread right information. And usually our data transfer speeds means Wi-Fi lies between 10 megabytes per second and 60 megabytes per second, and even in some countries they are 100 megabytes per second. It's the package we choose between our networks. And always thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.